Welcome to Transforming Spaces, your ultimate home design destination. Explore inspiring interior design ideas, DIY projects, and home decor tips on our home design YouTube channel. Discover how to transform your living spaces with expert guidance and creative inspiration. Subscribe for home design trends, room makeovers, and much more. Architecturally design house plans and estimates. We have a wonderful lucky house plan that will suit your needs and will suit your location. The living room is centrally located, designed to be the main gathering space of the house. It is spacious enough to fit a comfortable sofa set, a coffee table, and a media center. Large windows provide ample natural light, making the space feel open and airy. The room's layout offers flexibility in arranging furniture to suit different lifestyles and needs. Kitchen size 115 square feet. The kitchen is compact yet functional, designed for efficiency. It features a galley or L-shaped layout, with sufficient counter space and storage for daily cooking needs. The kitchen can include modern appliances such as a stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher, along with upper and lower cabinets for storage. There is enough space for a small breakfast nook or a couple of bar stools at a counter. Bathroom, sized 50 square feet. The bathroom is efficiently designed, incorporating all necessary amenities in a compact space. It includes a standard shower or tub combination, a toilet, and a vanity with storage underneath. The bathroom's layout is optimized for convenience and ease of use, with enough room for movement without feeling cramped. A well-placed window or vent ensures proper ventilation and natural light. Bedroom 1. Larger bedroom, size 140 square feet. The larger bedroom is designed to fit a queen-size bed, with space for bedside tables and a dresser. A built-in closet provides storage for clothing and personal items. This room is ideal as the master bedroom, offering comfort and privacy. Windows allow natural light to brighten the space, creating a peaceful retreat. Bedroom to smaller bedroom, size 100 square feet. Description: the smaller bedroom is versatile, suitable for use as a child's room, guest room, or home office. It can fit a twin bed or a small full-size bed, with a compact closet for storage. The room is designed to make the most of its space, possibly incorporating built-in shelving or multifunctional furniture. This cozy room is a functional addition to the home's layout. Bathroom. General design considerations: lighting, strategically placed windows, and thoughtful lighting design ensure the house feels bright and open. Storage. Utilize built-in storage solutions throughout the house to maximize space efficiency. Outdoor connection. The large veranda serves as an extension of the living space, offering a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. This layout balances comfort, functionality, and style, making the most of its 900 square feet to create a cozy and inviting home. You're welcome. If there's anything else you'd like to discuss, or if you need help with something else, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.